Earth, the habitable planet. What makes Earth the habitable planet? Its mass. When it comes to finding the right kind of planet to target in the search of life elsewhere in the universe, the size of the planet definitely matters. If a planet swells to more than 10 times around the mass of the Earth before the nuclear furnace within its host ignites, it will be able to accrete vast amounts of gas. It will grow to become a gas giant, like Jupiter or Saturn in our own solar system. Such planets would definitely not be good places to look for life. At the other end of the spectrum, an object that is too small or too low of mass, such as Mercury or Earth's moon, would not have enough gravity to hold an atmosphere. Typically, the more massive the planet, the more massive the atmosphere it can acquire and maintain. Planets come in all shapes and sizes, but the perfect planet for the search for life must be the right size, not too big and not too small. This is important because the mass of a planet's atmosphere will directly influence its climate. The location of the habitable zone around a star will therefore be a function of the mass of a planet in question. A more massive planet with a more massive atmosphere will likely have a stronger greenhouse effect. Such a planet most likely would be habitable at distances that would result in smaller planets icing over. Similarly, a smaller planet with a thinner atmosphere will likely be habitable at distances at which the ocean of a more massive world would boil. What else makes the Earth the habitable planet? Its temperature. It's the right distance from the sun. It is protected from harmful solar radiation by its magnetic field. It is kept warm by an insulating atmosphere, and it has the right chemical ingredients for life, including water and carbon. The processes that shape the Earth and its environment constantly cycle elements through the planet. This cycling sustains life and leads to the formation of the mineral and energy resources that are the foundation of modern technological society. Earth's atmosphere also plays a vital role in regulating the temperature by providing a blanket of gases that not only protects us from excessive heat and harmful radiation from the sun, but also traps the heat rising from the Earth's interior, keeping us warm. The temperature also allows for water not to freeze over, since having liquid water is such an important role to life. Earth is one special planet. It has liquid water, plate tectonics, and an atmosphere that shelters it from the worst of the sun's rays. But many scientists agree that our planet's most special feature just might be us. We are the only planet with the proven signs of life. Without these features of Earth, we wouldn't be here, making Earth not only the best, but the only habitable planet.